Stop scrolling. Right now. If you're a creator, an adrenaline junkie, or a professional looking for the absolute next level in aerial cinematography, you are about to hear the biggest secret in the drone world. Forget everything you thought you knew about FPV. Forget the clunky builds, the constant repairs, and the fear of the prop guard crunch. We've all been there. We love FPV, but we crave something more. Something seamless. Something. Avata 3. For months, the rumors have been swirling. Whispers on the dark corners of the internet. Leaks that DJI desperately tried to scrub. But we've put the pieces together. And what we've uncovered isn't just an upgrade. It's a revolution. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This isn't a simple review of a product you already own. This is your exclusive, deep dive preview into the drone that is going to fundamentally change FPV forever. Stay with me. Because the moment you hear what the Avata 3 is truly capable of, you'll understand why this is the only video you need to watch before you make your next big purchase. Let's start with the one thing that will get your attention immediately. The form factor. The original Avata was a genius compromise, Cinewhoop in a box. But the Avata 3 leaks suggest DJI is moving away from the purely duct design to something they're calling an adaptive propeller frame. Think of it as a hybrid. It keeps the protection of a Cinewhoop but ditches the power-sapping drag. We're talking increased flight time, less wind resistance, and perhaps, crucially, a sub-250-gram version. Imagine this. A pro-level FPV drone that doesn't need registration in most countries. A dream. But the real game-changer is the rumored self-tensioning, quick-release propellers. No more tiny screws. No more fiddling with tools in the field. Slap them on, twist, and you're ready to fly. This isn't a luxury. It's a necessity for the pro who needs zero downtime. And durability. We've heard whispers of a carbon fiber reinforced chassis. This means those inevitable crashes that would send the old Avata to the repair bench might just bounce off the Avata 3. This is the drone that laughs in the face of a chimney stack. Now, let's talk about the footage. Because at the end of the day, that's why we buy a drone. The Avata 2 gave us 4K/60. The Avata 3. Prepare for the future. The most explosive leak. A 1-inch CMOS sensor. Let that sink in. The imaging sensor from a professional camera, stuffed into a compact FPV drone. This isn't just an increase in resolution, this is a quantum leap in image quality. We're looking at 6K/30 FPS or 4K/120 FPS. True, buttery smooth cinematic slow motion without artificial interpolation. Think low-light performance that rivals a flagship cinema camera. No more muddy shadows. No more blown-out highlights. Just pure, dynamic range that screams Hollywood. And the stabilization is allegedly getting another overhaul. Forget rocksteady. We're hearing rumors of a dual-axis mechanical gimbal combined with advanced electronic stabilization. This means smoother footage, fewer jello artifacts, and the ability to tilt the camera further than ever before. You'll be able to pull off those impossible shots, flying low through a forest, the camera magically